How to use Bluesky in 2025, a beginner's guide. Bluesky is a decentralized social media platform that works like Twitter but gives users more control. Here's how to get started in 2025. Download the Bluesky app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then open the app and create an account with your email and password. Choose a username and set up your profile picture and bio. Follow people and topics to personalize your timeline so you can customize your feed. Bluesky allows you to choose different algorithms to control what you see, so that's a cool feature. Tap the Compose button to share posts, images, or links. Like, repost, and reply to interact with other users. You can explore and join communities, so use the search bar to find trending topics and communities. You can join custom feeds or create your own for a personalized experience. Check out this cool app, and that's how you can start using Bluesky in 2025. Thanks for watching.